Hello world, this is Darren Martineau with Team Freedom, and in this video I'm going to do my viral valet review and big bonus. So what is viral valet? So viral valet is an incredible new software, and this allows you to create viral videos. It allows you to discover, research, and create your own viral videos. And the best part is it's already done for you. You can create custom videos like reaction style videos or stitch videos. I'm going to show you, this is a case study video. So what happens is, like I said, you can create custom videos, which I created. And I'm going to come on to one of my accounts here. This is one of my YouTube accounts. And I did this only within a couple hours. And as you can see right here on this video, I got already 1,000 views. That was done within only a couple hours. I just put it up to test it. This really works. So on this video, this is a martial arts video from one of my martial arts channel, and it's a really simple short, and it's just a little reaction video. So I'm just showing you that this is very, very powerful. So right here, the 1,000 views, that happened really fast. So I'm already starting to create channels and doing all kinds of things. So here's what my bonus is, okay? So when you purchase the Viral Valet through my link, you're going to get access to Team Freedom. Okay, inside of Team Freedom, I have a new book that I wrote. It's called Affiliate Marketing Master Guide. This is one of the things you're going to get. You're going to get all kinds of video tutorials in here on how to make viral videos, case studies. I'm also a life coach, and normally I charge $10,000 for life coaching, but inside here you're going to get access to a lot of my life coaching products that I'm creating. You're going to get grandfathered in. This product's going to be well over $1,000 right here. This is just the beginning of it. I show you how to get leads for free off of Facebook and many other things. The best AI tools, YouTube marketing guide, and much, much more. So you're going to get grandfathered into Team Freedom's $1,000 product, which you're going to get if you purchase Viral Valet through my link. So click on the link, and what you're getting is incredible software to create viral videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.